Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling the mobile hotspot feature so devices can join your Dell. First, make sure your battery is healthy or plug-in. Hotspot drains power. Next, open Settings, right arrow Network and Internet and switch on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Now, click Mobile Hotspot and create an SSID and strong password. WPA2 is fine. Once done, choose whether to share your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and set the network band to 5 GHz or 4 GHz depending on range versus speed. You now configure sharing details so the hotspot behaves predictably. In Mobile Hotspot, pick the source connection you want to share, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and then choose the network band. 5 GHz gives faster throughput, 4 GHz reaches further. Make sure to set a device limit if you want fewer simultaneous connections and enable a data limit when on metered plans. Once configured, save changes and toggle the hotspot on. Wait a few seconds for the SSID to broadcast before connecting your phone or tablet. You finish by connecting devices and confirming they have internet. On the client, pick the SSID and enter the password. Test with a browser. If it fails, first restart the laptop's Wi-Fi adapter or toggle mobile hotspot off and on. Simple resets often fix binding issues. If problems continue, open network connections, ensure the hotspot adapter is allowed to share, and check Windows firewall rules for sharing. One key tip: reboot the Dell if adapter resets don't resolve conflicts, then retry connecting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.